Alright, so this is the German watch that was most likely taken off of a German officer during the Battle of the Bulge in 1945, and it has not worked since. And when I took the power off, there was still power on the mainspring. There's a lot of rusted parts. I'm able to get the train wheels all cleaned up, and everything should work. So when I drop the balance wheel in, if it starts working, it will be the first time it's worked since 1945. There it goes. It's the first time it's ticked in 50, 60, 70, 76 years. Back from the death. Okay.